Hey everybody, I'm Sean Allen, your Houston area Acura guy. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of what the 2020 RDX is. Now, the 2020 RDX is the second year that this new model RDX has been available. It's one of the most popular luxury SUVs on the market. Let's get into it. This is the 2020 Acura RDX. This model was released in 2019. Hey, it is an absolute showstopper when you see all of the technology and features that it comes with standard. Some of the really great things about it is an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus. That is the highest safety rating you can get. It's also 5-star crash test rated, and US News rated it the best compact luxury SUV you can buy for the money. Let's get inside. I'm going to show you all the different details and features of this car. Starting from the front here, this RDX has a big 2-liter turbo engine. It gets 272 horsepower. It is a very, very thrilling and exciting ride. It's getting a lot of really, really great reviews for car enthusiasts. It's something that you just can't wait to get on the road to actually experience yourself. The RDX also comes standard with a power tailgate with smart entry technology, storage cubbies on the side, additional storage space underneath, and an easy folding lever for both sides of the seats. The interior of the 2020 RDX is absolutely breathtaking. It comes standard with a massive 10.2-inch high-resolution display. The display uses a touchpad interface with a true 1-to-1 ratio, making it exceptionally easy to use while you're driving. It has a 10-speed automatic transmission for ultra-smooth, ultra-thrilling drive, a full leather interior, and an AC for the rear seats. The 2020 RDX comes with many USB outlets located throughout the vehicle. It comes standard with Apple CarPlay. The extremely spacious back row of the RDX can fit 3 people. It also has a latch system available for 2 different car seats. Hey everybody, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my intro into the 2020 RDX. It is a very, very nice car and a very, very nice ride. It's winning a lot of awards for the luxury segment of SUVs. If you want to see some other videos or you're interested in this car, I'm going to be making some more videos on which each trim level has to offer. That's the base model, the tech, the aspec, and the advanced. If you have an idea or a question or anything like that, some video tips, leave them in the comments for me. I'd love to take a look at them. I'll always reply to you. If you're in the Houston area and you want to come take this car for a test drive and you want me to help you out, go ahead and reach me through the description with all my contact information. Thank you so much.